Creating the perfect piece of dough doesn't have to be hard. Just sit back and relax. Let me show you how it's done.
Delicious.
Start by adding flour, about 3 cups, to the mixer. Then add a tablespoon of salt. Then the yeast, another tablespoon. Follow it up with 2 tablespoons of oil, EVOO of course. Then a cup of warm water, about 110 degrees. Start at the mixer at the lowest setting, work the dough, and make sure it doesn't splash everywhere. The end result is you're gonna get a very sticky dough. It looks like this. Make sure to have a lot of flour on hand so it doesn't stick anywhere. Let this beauty rest for about 8 hours and you should be good to go. After the 8 hours, the dough should look like Swiss cheese. When you remove the plastic wrap, it's gonna look like string cheese, which is okay because remember, it's very sticky. Next, let's grab the dough and form it into balls and set it aside to rest again. Spread the dough by hand and make sure it's by hand because you don't want to use a roller. That will take all the air out of the dough. See how well rested the dough is? Now all you have to do is just add your favorite toppings and your pizza's good to go.
Delicious.